Having trouble downloading the NetMirror app on your Android phone? You're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through a fast and easy way to install it without any errors. Stick around till the end. Missing even one step could lead to installation issues. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Open your settings and search for Wi-Fi. Connect to a reliable network. If you're using mobile data, make sure your signal is strong. A weak connection can interrupt downloads or cause installation failures. Next, open Settings again and search for VPN. If any VPN is active, turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with app installations, so disabling it helps avoid problems. Now, to install apps from outside the Play Store, you'll need to allow installations from unknown sources. In Settings, search for Install Unknown Apps. Choose the browser you'll use to download the app, like Chrome, and enable Allow from this source. Some devices block app downloads to save battery or limit data usage. Search for Battery Saver in Settings and make sure it's turned off. Now it's time to get the app. Open Chrome or any browser and search for NetMirror app. Visit the official website and download the Android version. Once the APK is downloaded, open it from your notifications or file manager and press Install. Allow any prompts that come up during installation. If the app still doesn't install, try restarting your phone. Click Open to open the NetMirror app. Wait for a moment and you'll see a prompt. Click on Click here just below the We Need Support. An error will appear, just wait for a moment and it'll automatically disappear. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded the NetMirror on your Android device. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel for more useful tips, and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.